Welcome to our video exploring the rising trend of rooftop pools as a stylish alternative to traditional backyards. Join us as we dive into the benefits of these elevated retreats, from breathtaking views and enhanced lifestyle options to increased property value and sustainability. Discover how rooftop pools are transforming urban living, offering privacy and exclusivity while fostering community interaction. Get ready to be inspired by the architectural innovations that make these serene spaces not just a luxury, but an exciting new norm. 1. Breathtaking views. Rooftop pools are rapidly gaining popularity due to the breathtaking views they offer. Imagine swimming at the top of a building, looking out over a bustling city or a serene natural landscape. These elevated pools provide a unique perspective that traditional backyards simply can't match. The experience of watching a sunset or gazing at a city skyline while floating in a pool is truly unparalleled. This not only offers a sense of tranquility but also adds an element of luxury to everyday living. Whether you're in the heart of a city or overlooking a picturesque countryside, the views from a rooftop pool can transform your swimming experience into something extraordinary. 2. Space optimization. In urban environments where space is at a premium, rooftop pools offer a clever solution to maximize available space. Traditional backyards can be rare in city settings, making rooftops an ideal alternative. By utilizing the often overlooked rooftop area, homeowners can create a luxurious escape without encroaching on valuable ground-level space. This not only optimizes the use of available real estate but also allows for additional amenities like gardens or lounges. The multifunctional nature of rooftop spaces means you can enjoy both leisure and functionality, making it a smart choice for city dwellers looking to make the most of their home. 3. Privacy and exclusivity. Rooftop pools offer a level of privacy that is hard to find in traditional backyards. High above street level, these pools provide a secluded sanctuary away from the prying eyes of neighbors and passers-by. This sense of exclusivity is particularly appealing in densely populated urban areas. You can enjoy a quiet poolside moment or host an intimate gathering without worrying about being observed. The elevated position of a rooftop pool creates a private haven, perfect for those who value their solitude and desire a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle below. 4. Architectural innovation. The rise of rooftop pools is a testament to the creativity and innovation of modern architecture. Designers are incorporating these pools into their projects, resulting in stunning structures that blend form and function. Rooftop pools can be customized to fit various architectural styles, from sleek and contemporary to more natural and organic designs. This architectural innovation not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a building but also contributes to the vibrancy of the urban landscape. By adding visual interest and sophistication, rooftop pools play a significant role in shaping the future of urban design. 5. Enhanced lifestyle. Having a rooftop pool can significantly enhance one's lifestyle. It provides a unique space for relaxation and socialization, offering a retreat just a few steps away. Families can enjoy quality time together, and friends can gather for poolside parties, enhancing social connections. The convenience of having a pool within reach encourages a more active lifestyle, promoting swimming and other outdoor activities. This lifestyle enhancement is appealing to those looking to elevate their living experience, making rooftop pools a sought-after feature for urban residents. 6. Increased property value. Investing in a rooftop pool can lead to a substantial increase in property value. In a competitive real estate market, unique features like a rooftop pool can set a property apart from others, attracting potential buyers and renters. The allure of having a private oasis with stunning views can result in higher offers and quicker sales. Additionally, properties with rooftop amenities often command higher rental prices, making them a lucrative investment for landlords. This increased property value is a significant consideration for homeowners looking to add a rooftop pool to their home. 7. Sustainability. Sustainability is becoming a crucial aspect of modern design, and rooftop pools can align with eco-friendly practices. These pools can be equipped with solar heating, rainwater collection systems, and energy-efficient filtration systems, reducing their environmental impact. By incorporating greenery and landscaping around the pool area, homeowners can enhance biodiversity and improve air quality. These sustainable practices not only benefit the environment but also lower operating costs, appealing to eco-conscious individuals looking for greener living options. 8. Year-round enjoyment. Rooftop pools offer the advantage of year-round enjoyment, a feature that traditional backyards may lack. With the addition of heating systems, these pools can remain accessible even during colder months. Some rooftop pools come with retractable covers or enclosures, providing a comfortable swimming experience regardless of the weather. This versatility ensures that homeowners can make the most of their outdoor space throughout the year, maximizing their investment and enhancing their living experience. 9. Community and social interaction. In multifamily buildings or urban developments, rooftop pools can serve as communal spaces that foster social interaction. These shared amenities create opportunities for neighbors to connect, relax, and enjoy each other's company. Whether hosting a barbecue or simply lounging by the pool, these communal spaces enhance the living experience by promoting a sense of community. The social aspect of rooftop pools contributes to a vibrant atmosphere, encouraging interactions that strengthen community bonds. 10. Aesthetic appeal. Rooftop pools significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of properties. A beautifully designed pool can transform a building into a neighborhood landmark, adding visual interest and sophistication. Whether surrounded by lush greenery or featuring striking architectural elements, rooftop pools become focal points that elevate the overall look of a property. This aesthetic appeal benefits homeowners by increasing property value and contributing to the charm and character of the surrounding urban environment.